All right, guys, today we're here with Georgie from Ageless Galaxy,
What up?
otherwise known as OG. And he has a recipe for hot sauce that we're going to try and make today.
Yeah.
And we're going to try some wild fermentations later as well. Have you ever fermented chilies before?
No.
So the key with fermentation is very simple. It's just one thing. 2% salt in your water. And you can ferment anything. It could be your kimchi, this, that, anything. 2% salt. That's it, all right?
Yeah.
So we've got a big jar. The cool thing is I got these vacuum caps. Yeah. Won't explode or anything. We have a vacuum pump. We pump it out, and every couple of days I come back and it has little bubbles coming through it and all that. It's like having another baby.
Bro, okay. How are we doing?
These are super hot chilies, as you know.
I've played with them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. So that's 2%, okay? I roasted some paprikas this morning, peeled off the skin and everything to get them all nice. Can you see that? So, I rested these in Bowmore whiskey. So, how many habaneros are hot? Let's throw in some habaneros.
Right, from the port.
You want to do it?
How hot are we going?
Go hot. Now something different I want to try today, bro. I got these tea bags if you want to grab one.
Yeah.
And we can actually put some spices into it.
Oh, you're doing it that way. Gotcha.
Yeah, so that it doesn't, so that we don't have the actual...
Yeah, you got the flavor, but you don't got
yeah,
the...
so like there's a nutmeg. I'll break this for you.
This should be enough.
There's a distinct flavor that comes from fermentation, and that's natural preservative. Of course, we use a little bit of vinegar later to give it some preservation, but the chili itself,
Yeah.
you know. And then stick that on and just center it. There you go.
Right? Cool.
Okay. Put in some water. Just to cover the top real nice. Once the whiskey's in there as well, we won't have any bacteria. So it's good. There you go.
Right.
That's our first fermentation.